Welcome to class 7 mathematics, chapter 14 symmetry. We reached the last exercise 14.3. Let line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Children, in the previous classes we have discussed detailed about symmetry, mirror reflection, line of symmetry, rotational symmetry and all. Here we are discussing about line symmetry and rotational symmetry of objects, shapes or alphabets. Some shapes have only line symmetry and some have only rotational and some have both line and rotational symmetry. For example, letters H and O have line symmetry and rotational symmetry of order 2. The letter Z has no line symmetry but the order of rotational symmetry is 2. The letter W has line symmetry and order of rotational symmetry 1. Next we can discuss about the alphabet with a line symmetry, number of line symmetry, rotational symmetry and order of rotational symmetry. Children, you have to copy down this table in the notebook. First letter is Z. Is it has a line symmetry? No. So the number of line symmetry is 0. Is it has rotational symmetry? Yes. What is the order of rotational symmetry? 2. That means while rotating Z to one complete rotation, that is of 360 degree, the letter Z exactly the same in two positions. So the order of rotational symmetry is 2. That is at 180 degree and 360 degree. It exactly look the original shape. Next is S. Is there any line symmetry? No. So the number of line symmetry becomes 0. Is it has rotational symmetry? Yes. What is the order? 2. Next is letter H. It has line symmetry? Yes. What is the number of line symmetry? 2. Is there rotational symmetry? Yes. What is the order of rotational symmetry? 2. Next letter O. O has two line symmetry. So line symmetry, yes. Number of line symmetry become 2. Is it has rotational symmetry? Yes. What is the order of rotational symmetry? It also 2. Next is letter E. Is it has line symmetry? Yes. Along the horizontal line. Here is the line of symmetry of E. So the number of line symmetry 1. Is it has rotational symmetry? Yes. What is the order of rotational symmetry? 1. Next letter N. N has line symmetry? No. Number of line symmetry of N is 0. Is it has a rotational symmetry? Yes. What is the order of rotational symmetry? 2. At a 180 degree and 360 degree, if you are turning the letter N, it exactly look the original position. So the order of rotation symmetry is 2. Next is letter C. Is it has line symmetry? Yes, the horizontal line symmetry is there. And the number of line symmetry is 1. And what about the rotational symmetry? Is it has rotational symmetry? Yes, the letter C has rotational symmetry. So what is the order of rotational symmetry of C? That is 1. That means if we turn the letter C, it exactly look the original letter only one time. So the order of rotational symmetry of C is 1. Next we can move to exercise 14.3. Question number 1. Name any two figures that have both line symmetry and rotational symmetry. Any figure, that is example of square, equilateral triangle, circle, rectangle. All these figures have line symmetry and rotational. Question number 2. Draw wherever possible a rough sketch of triangle with both line and rotational symmetries of order more than 1. Yes, we have a triangle with a line symmetry more than 1 is equilateral triangle. And we have order of rotational symmetry of equilateral triangle is more than 1, that is 3. An equilateral triangle has 3 line of symmetry and order of rotational symmetry is also 2. A triangle with only line symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Yes, in an isosceles triangle, we have only line symmetry and rotational symmetry of order not more than 1. Not more than 1 means rotational symmetry will be only order of rotational symmetry is 1 only. Isosceles triangle has line symmetry 1, order of rotational symmetry is also 1. That means no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Means only one rotational. Order of rotational symmetry is also 1. Next, a quadrilateral with rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but not a line symmetry. Is it possible such a quadrilateral to draw? Yes, the parallelogram has no line symmetry. A quadrilateral with rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but not a line symmetry. Parallelogram has no line symmetry but a rotational symmetry of order 2, that is more than 1. Next question, a quadrilateral with a line symmetry but not a rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Not a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 means the order of rotational symmetry is 1. Such an example is, we can see that a quadrilateral with a line symmetry but not a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 are trapezium, isosceles trapezium and kite. Isosceles trapezium is a quadrilateral which has only one line symmetry and not a rotational symmetry of order more than 1. Means the rotational symmetry of order is also 1. Order of rotational symmetry of isosceles trapezium is 1. Similarly, in a kite, only one line of symmetry, that is quadrilateral with a line symmetry. And what is the order of rotational symmetry of this kite? 1 only. That means a quadrilateral with a line symmetry but not a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 is isosceles trapezium and kite. Next, question number 3. If a figure has 2 or more lines of symmetry, should it have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? Yes, if a figure has 2 or more lines of symmetry, it should have rotational symmetry of order more. Next question, fill in the blanks. Shape is given. We can fill the center of rotation of this shape. Also write the order of rotation and also write the angle of rotation also. So, first figure is square. What is the center of rotation of the square? Yes, the center of rotation of the square is the intersection of the diagonals, intersecting point of diagonal. Order of rotation. How many times if you are turning the figure, it looks exactly the original shape? 4 times. And what is the angle of rotation? We can find the angle of rotation by one complete rotation upon the order of rotation. So 90 degree. Next, rectangle. What is the center of rotation? Intersecting point of diagonals. Order of rotation 2. And what about the angle of rotation? It is 180 degree. Next is rhombus. The center of rotation is intersecting point of diagonals. Order of rotation is 2 only, 2 times only. We get the original figure if we turn the rhombus into complete rotation. So 2 times we get exactly the original figure. So order of rotation is 2 and angle of rotation is 180 degree. Next, equilateral triangle. You know the center of rotation is the intersecting point of medians, and order of rotation is 3 and angle of rotation is 120. Next is regular hexagon. The center of rotation is intersecting point of diagonals and order of rotation is 6. That means if you are turning the regular hexagon by 360 degree, 6 times we obtain the original figure. So order is 6 and angle of rotation is 360 by 6 equal to 60 degree. Next is circle. Center of rotation is the center of the circle. And order of rotation infinite. Means at every angle or less than the angle also, it will exactly look the original shape. So order of rotation we can write it as infinite and angle of rotation is at every angle. Next is semicircle. The center of rotation is the midpoint of the diameter and order of rotation is 1 only and angle of rotation 360 degree. Now we can move to question. Question number 5. Name the quadrilaterals which have both line and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. That is square and rectangle. Both have the quadrilateral line symmetry is more than 1 and rotational symmetry is of order more than 1. Next question. After rotating by 60 degree about a center, a figure looks exactly the same as its original position. At what other angles will this happen for the figure? Yes, it is simple only. Next, multiples of 60 also, the figure looks exactly the same. So the other angles at which the figure looks exactly the same as its original position are 120 degree, 180 degree, 240 degree, 300 degree and 360 degree. Next question, can we have a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 whose angle of rotation is 45 degree? Definitely if the angle of rotation is 45 degree, we will get the rotational symmetry of order more than 1. What about 17 degree? It is not at all possible. So the answer is no. Now we can recall what we have discussed in this chapter. We have discussed about symmetry, what is meant by symmetry, and line symmetry, and a number of line symmetry. Next, we have discussed about regular polygons and lines of symmetry. A regular polygon has the line symmetry as the number of its sides. Next, we discussed about mirror reflection, and it also leads to symmetry under which the left-right orientation have to be taken care of. Next, we have discussed about rotation turns an object about a fixed point, center of rotation, angle of rotation, rotational symmetry. That means if after a rotation an object looks exactly the same, we say that it has a rotational symmetry, and we can find the order of rotational symmetry. For example, the order of rotational symmetry of a square is 4 while an equilateral triangle is 3, like that way. Next, we have discussed some shapes have only line symmetry like letter E, and some have only rotational symmetry like letter S, and some have both symmetries like rotational symmetry and line symmetry like H, letter H. The study of symmetry is important because of its frequent use in day-to-day life and more because of the beautiful designs it can provide us. Thank you. Complete all the work and we will start the next lesson.